Hello students, this is question number 6 of IOQM 2024-2025 and the question over here says find the number of the triples of the real numbers a, b and c such that a to the power 20 plus b to the power 20 plus c to the power 20 is equal to a to the power 24 plus b to the power 24 plus c to the power 24 and this is equal to 1. Now to solve this question, first of all, we have to see that the equation that is a to the power 20 plus b to the power 20 plus c to the power 20. So this value is coming out to be equal to 1. And from here we can interpret that either a, b or c, whichever we are taking without loss of generality, we can take a is going to be less than or equal to 1 or a to the power 20 is less than or equal to 1, b to the power 20 is less than or equal to 1 or c to the power 20 is less than or equal to 1. Now from here we have two distinct cases. The first case over here we are taking is when a to the power 20 is equal to 1. Now if a to the power 20 is equal to 1, then in that case the value of b and c has to be equal to 0. So from here we are getting the two different values of a, that is either a will be equal to 1 or a is equal to -1. Now since we are talking about without loss of generality, so the similar cases will come for b and c as well. Now, the next case we are going to assume over here is that when a to the power 20, b to the power 20 or c to the power 20, all these values are less than 1. Now, if these values are less than 1, then we can see that a to the power 24 plus b to the power 24 plus c to the power 24. Now, this quantity is going to be less than a to the power 20 plus b to the power 20 plus c to the power 20. But over here in a quotient, they have mentioned that these both are equal. So this will gives us an contradiction, and if it is a contradiction means the only case that will hold over here is when we are going to take either one of these as equal to plus or minus 1. So we can see that there will be 6 cases that can be framed from here, and those 6 cases will be that is plus minus 1 comma 0 comma 0. The next one will be 0 comma plus minus 1, and the next one will be 0 0 and plus and minus 1 over here. So the final answer for this question has to be equal to 6, and the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.